I'm Dad and welcome to Chumley 105.
Alright, this is the look test.
I can settle this up real quick. Nice. That right there.
They're the only
You got the baffle inside out for God knows what reason.
So, for your guys' review, which one of these you think looks the best? Trey, what do you think?
I don't know.
Just take a pick, any of them. Except the green one, you can't have it.
The little 50.
XR?
Yeah.
Sir.
It's up. I think 50.
I'm going with 50.
Alright, so that concludes
I
this
changed my mind. It's the 110.
Alright, so we gonna drag race now?
Hell
Alright.
yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Ah!
Everything's scoots too. This one's kind of slow, which I'm fat,
So the 50Z beat the XR.
it died though.
Malfunction. Honda problems.
Honda problem.
I
That's
mean,
a Honda too.
I was cool. That was better.
But the winner of the day was Dylan on that.
Did you win?
No, I didn't win.
You didn't win?
No, Ethan won.
Oh, did he win the drag race?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I was too busy looking for Trey.
No, Ethan
So-
won.
Ethan won the drag race. Now we kind of need to do the top speed test. So, guess we'll go ahead and get a start on that. Now we're doing a speed test. If it was me, I think I'd just keep it in my pocket because it'll tell you maximum miles per hour. Or just holding your hand, I mean, whichever. Here he comes. See what his speed's gonna be.
It sounded way faster back there.
Yes. Topped out. Ooh. Ew. That's so gross.
28 miles an hour.
Alright, the scores beat is 28 miles per hour. Alright, put that in your pocket.
Not bad, maybe 15.
He didn't let off it, he just kept on going.
What'd you have?
Where do you check?
Let's see here. 35. Trey's approach is different. He's popping wheelies. 2 miles per hour.
I was big. I had to let it out. I was gonna blow it up.
It's talking to me now.
I think 20 something. He got out.
I don't know about that. Not on that thing. 3 speed. On the call.
Yeah.
I bet
get
Zach
higher
got
bars
20
on mine.
something. I bet Zach got about 28. I ain't getting 28 right now.
No. Did you catch her?
27. I got 27.
What did I get?
You got 22.
I ain't bad for a little 50 though.
Yeah.
Alright, we're here at the hill climb test. You guys ready for this?
I gotta pee first.
I don't think this thing's gonna make it. What's up, we got doing?
I ain't got it.
You wanna hold the camera?
I got it now.
You got it, dude. So who won that one? I think we all know who won, but just figured I'd ask. All right, we'll go Eton.
Who's a creek trail?
Oh boy. Now we're going trail riding, evidently.
I got him out.
Trey's taking the smart approach. Oh God, no! Oh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Ruts could swallow a pit bike. We're in dangerous territory now, boys. We're gonna have to cut our way out of the jungle. We're gonna have to cut our way out of the jungle here.
Alright, get the hell out of the way. Here I go.
All right, everybody through the small hole.
I'm too big for this stuff.
He ain't no bigger than Dylan is. All right, little 50, there you go. Here in the bushes. Me in the bushes.
I'm gonna take you in the bushes back here, Zach.
No. Here we go, I suppose. Alright, for our trail ride review, I'm going to say mine was not the best for it. Trey's out. I say it's probably down to one of these two.
I
enjoyed it. It had a bigger bike.
Alright, well we'll give 2 points to the 110s.
Yeah, I hate you being right. That's the smallest you can go.
Yeah, definitely not a 50. Too small.
Oh, you can still do it.
I just got too long a leg.
Bigger handlebars.
Yeah, bigger.
Well, even with bigger handlebars, I was still kind of awkward down it. It helps a lot, but it's just
I think I'm gonna get bigger handlebars.
lack of power.
I could do it on this one. As long as everybody else is going slow too.
Yeah, it's just more of a lack of power.
Alright, we do this again.
Was I supposed to say action?
Come on. Say something, Ethan. No, people want to hear from you.
Guantanamo over here was the winner. Because, well, he cheats. He likes to cut corners. While everybody else's stuff claps. Even though I picked mine up for $400, and you paid what, probably $3 grand for that old begin? I don't care what you paid. How about that? Thank you for watching Chumley 107.
That's it for this video, guys. We're going to give our conclusion now on the pit bike test there. All these bikes are great, but really if you want to buy something good all the way around, probably would recommend the TTR 110 of Ethan's here. It's as you've seen, it's pretty hard to beat in some things. He washes bike every now and again. cents. Other than that, I mean, it pretty much whooped up on everything else. So, I mean,
Kawasaki.
if you're in the market for any of these bikes,
Kawasaki.
I mean, any of these are great. So just
Clapped out Kawasaki.
yeah, clapped out Kawasaki, Hondas, and Yamahas are the way to go, my friends. We like the SSRs too. So
We're just too broke to get them.
yeah, we're just too broke to get them, but
Send us money.
yeah. But like and subscribe to us here at Show Me 105. Comment on the video, and I guess till next time.
Please give feedback.
Let us know you're there. Bye.
Adios.